咁仲有一個 factors 會影響個 rate of reaction 嘅，咁之前都講咗噶啦，咁你應該識啦。catalyst 咧係會影響個 rate of reaction，咁正常會 increase 嗰個嘅rate of reaction 啦。好，我哋之後咧會畫一種 energy profile 嘅 graph 啦，咁會有個 y-axis 啦，有個 x-axis 啦，y-axis 咧就係 potential energy 啦，咁而咧 x-axis 咧就係一個 reaction coordinate，即係不斷做 reaction 嘅一個 coordinate 啦，個方向啦。好啦，然後咧呢一開始咧咁就係一個 reactant 啦，咁假設佢係一個 reactant 啦，呢個位置係 reactant 啦，跟住咧就會變成 product 啦。咁你見到 product 喺 reactant 嘅下邊啦，咁所以係一個exothermic 嘅 reaction 啦。咁你之前其實學過少少嘅 energy profile 即係 enthalpy level diagram 啦咁樣。好，咁然後咧 reactant 咧要變成 product 嘅時候咧，其實要做乜嘢咧？佢要跨過一座山嘅。OK， 跨過一座山咧，先至去到變成 product 嘅。而佢跨一座山要用嘅 energy 咧，其實就係乜嘢咧？就係我哋之前所講嘅，我哋叫做 activation energy 啊。咁我哋叫 EA 嘅。OK，EA 就係 activation energy。OK，就係咧，佢最少要幾多 energy 咧，先做到個 reaction 又變成 product 啦咁樣。咁然後咧，如果其實我加咗嗰個嘅 catalyst 嘅話，會發生咩事咧？成件事咧，成個 graph 咧就唔同咗喎，因為咧其實 catalyst 咧係俾嗰個嘅 reaction 咧係行第二條路去做咗成件事。嗱，一開始你見到 reactant 要變成 product 嘅時候咧，佢跨過一座山，而呢座山個 activation 即個 energy 咧所需要係多嘅。然後啦，如果我係有 catalyst 嘅話咧，佢會行第二條路，咁然後最尾都會去到 product 嘅。OK，咁而呢一個位置咧都係 EA 嚟嘅。但 EA prime 啦，就係用咗 catalyst 嘅時候，佢嗰個 activation energy，你見到咧原本嗰個 reaction 嗰個 pathway 啊，嗰個 activation energy 係點啊？係高好多噶嘛。但係用咗 catalyst 之後咧，你見到嗰個嘅要用嘅 energy 咧係細啲嘅。OK，咁 that's why 咧就可以令到嗰個reaction rate 係上升咗啊，因為佢所需要做呢個 reaction 要嘅 energy 咧係低啲啊嘛，咁咪多啲 particles 係有足夠嘅 energy 去做個 reaction 咯。咁呢個位置咧就係會解釋咧 catalyst 點樣影響嗰個嘅 rate of reaction 啊。咁呢度就講啦，所以咧 catalyst 咧係可以 increase the rate of reaction by providing an alternative pathway with lower activation energy for the reaction to proceed 啊。OK， 就講緊咧會俾第二條路你 alternative pathway with lower activation energy， 低啲嘅 activation energy， 咪令到有多啲嘅 particles 係會有得去做reaction 咯，有足夠嘅 energy 去做 reaction 咯。OK， 咁佢冇令到咧啲 particles 咧有多啲 energy 嘅，佢純粹咧令到佢所需要嘅 activation energy 嗰個嘅energy 嘅一個嘅能量係低咗啫，所以令到多啲嘅 particles 係做到 reaction 嘅。咁而咧我哋成日都話啦，咁其實即係 catalyst 咧有咩特徵咧？就係咧佢 remain chemically unchanged at the end of the reaction 嘅。咁啊 catalyst 係冇消失到嘅，咁佢純粹咧係幫助嗰個 reaction 係行第二條路去做嗰個 reaction 啦。OK，remain chemically unchanged at the end of the reaction。咁下邊呢一個咧係一個好 typical 嘅一個嘅 graph 啦。嗱，如果唔用 catalyst 嘅話咧，得，但係個 reaction 係極度慢啊。OK，例如係邊個例子咧？我哋一個好 typical 嘅一個 reaction 嘅，咁就係 hydrogen peroxide 啦。呢個例子咧啦 ，example 啦 ，hydrogen peroxide 啦。如果做 reaction 嘅話，做一個 decomposition 就會變翻 water 同埋一啲嘅 O2 啊。如果你睇大笨象牙糟糕就係呢個 reaction 啦，係啦。咁然後咧要包翻條色先。包翻條色係咁樣嘅 ，OK。咁正常咧情況下咧，冇 catalyst 咧係極度慢嘅。但係我加個 catalyst 嘅時候咧，個 reaction rate 係點啊？快好多嘅，你見到係啦。咁通常加乜嘢 catalyst 咧，就會加咧呢個嘅 manganese 4 oxide 啊，一啲咁嘅疏粒啊。咁呢啲咧 catalyst 咧就會 catalyze 個 reaction，就會 increase the reaction rate by providing an alternative path with lower activation energy for the reaction to proceed。OK， 就會令到多咗嘅呢個 particles 咧有足夠嘅 energy 去做嗰個 reaction 咯。咁呢個位置咧就係解釋到咧點解 catalyst 咧係會令到個 reaction rate 咧係會快咗嘅。所以最後咧去做個 sum up 啦。如果要影響嗰個reaction rate 嘅話咧，一係你令到咧 啲 particles 有多啲嘅 energy，我哋有足夠嘅 energy，多啲 particles 有足夠嘅 energy 去做個 reaction。第二樣嘢就係多啲機會咧，好 collide in a proper orientation，即係 increase 嗰個 chance of collision 啦。呢兩樣嘢是但影響一樣嘅時候咧，嗰個 reaction rate 咧都會上升嘅。OK，咁而咧如果做到個 collision 係做到 reaction 嘅咧，我就叫做 effective collision 啦。咁有幾個嘅 factors 會影響個 rate 嘅，分別係 concentration 啦、pressure 啦，同埋 temperature 啦、surface area， 最尾咧就係 catalyst 啦。呢五樣嘢咧都會影響咧個 rate of reaction 嘅。